fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and
Alright, I have just made it here to Target, you guys, and let me show you guys some of the cool stuff that they have here now for spring. And you guys know that summer is on its way as well, so here is just a little display of what they have right now. And let me show you that. Look, $3 some of the shirts. Looks really nice. It's been a while that I haven't been to the Target that I used to previously come. And you know, when I started here my YouTube channel, this is the place where I used to come and do all my shopping. I've just noticed that they had actually changed everything around, and so far I love how everything looked. And let me show you guys this right here. Look at how pretty that is, and the colors really nice. So these are one of the top shirts that the mannequin is wearing. So doesn't have a price. Alright, so I found the price and it's actually $8. So this one's $8, and then they have another one in a white shirt, and this one that says USA in blue. Look at these jackets, $32. The backpacks. And look guys, I was just looking at this, and this one is $20. It is a nice crop shirt, and it does come with the pants if you want to buy it separately. And then there's this one right here, which is so pretty. And then here's more in the back. Look at this one's right here. These are $8. Look, here are some sweatshirts in 2 different colors, and then here are the sweatpants. So nice. And there's this one right here, pants. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys really quick because they are playing some music in the background. I don't want this video to be copyright, but see, these are some of the swimwear that they have right now. Loving all the colors. Can't wait for that summer to actually be officially here. So this is everything that they have displayed right now. There's some scrunchies. They got the sandals on the walls. Look at how beautiful these handbags are. They're so nice. Guys, I find myself here at the dollar spot section. So here are just some of the summer stuff that they have for $1. the way, they also have some cute stuff for the kids. They have the umbrellas for $3, these beautiful Mickey, Minnie Mouse, Paw Patrols hats for $3. This is such a cute display. I like this chair. There's a couple more. Kind of nice lace. So pretty. I like this one. Alright guys, now that the music has stopped, if you guys are planning on working out for this summer and trying to get in shape, they also have some dumbbells here that range from $3 to $23. What I see is the most expensive one. And they also sell the yoga mat, the stability ball, and some resistant bands in case if you guys are looking for that. And then over here they have the other ones as well, and all of the gear you guys need. Alright you guys, so I just went ahead and got out of the store. So basically I really didn't record a whole lot, especially because there was a lot of music playing in the background. The music was actually on blast, and don't mind myself, I'm pretty glossy. I was wearing my mask, and by the way, it's actually really hot anyways. So I already left the store, so hopefully you found this video helpful. In other words, so if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel if you guys haven't subscribed, and also turn notification bells on so you guys don't miss none of my videos. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it once again, and I'll see you guys really soon for the next one. Bye guys.
And why to LA with it? And why to LA with it?